Well, Tom, here we are. After plenty of loan moves, you've finally found a home here at Derby. How's life?
Yeah, it's all good. Trying to get back fit at the minute. That's the main aim, but generally it's a great club and I'm enjoying it.
And obviously working under a high-profile manager in Frank Lampard, you got off on the right foot with that winner against Reading, first game of the season. You must have thought, I'm in the manager's good books for a little while now.
Yeah, don't score many headers, so I knew as soon as I headed it, it was going in. I don't connect sweet with them often from heading, but that one I knew as soon as it hit my head, it was going in.
And one player who you're sharing a dressing room with now at Derby and with Wales, Harry Wilson, he's probably you a few years ago. He's that player finding his feet, loan moves, obviously still has that little voice. Is he going to make it at Liverpool? What sort of advice would you give to him?
Yeah, I mean, H has come here and he's been brilliant. He's had a great season so far, and that's all he can do is do well for us, and then that'll benefit him for Liverpool. I mean, it might come to a stage where he might have to leave Liverpool, or if he gets his chance, he's going to have to take it. I mean, they've got an amazing squad, but I'm sure H is capable of doing things, and hopefully he'll make it there. I
know as a man who likes a shot from distance, you must be hating him a little bit, the fact he's come in this season and he's scoring so many, and probably you're not getting as much of a sniff now.
No, I can't hate H. He's a nice lad. I think we've had a share of free kicks this year. We had a little rule. I take him from the left, he takes him from the right. But no, he's had a good season, and hopefully that continues for us this year.
Moving on to Wales then, your manager now, Ryan Giggs, a man who you know gave you your opportunity at Man United a couple of games. What's that relationship like for you? Yeah, it's good. Obviously, that was my boyhood club growing up, so forever grateful for that chance that he gave me, and for my family to see that as well. That was a great moment for me. So yeah, it's nice because I've grew up watching him, and now he's my manager, and yeah, it's been good so far, and hopefully we can create something really good with that Wales squad now. It's going to be tough for everyone to get a game because we're all going to be fighting for places and we all want to play at the end of the day, so it's going to be a tough one for the manager. And it hasn't all been smooth sailing for you in terms of your Wales experiences. Probably the most high-profile player to miss out on the Euros 2016 through injury. What was going through your head at that time, and then seeing the boys going on to achieving what they did? Yeah, I don't think I've ever been so low when I actually got injured. It was the last day of training camp. We had a little game, and I've done my ankle. I knew straight away that it wasn't going to be good. Obviously, deep down, you're gutted and you want to be part of it. You want to be out there with the lads. But these things happen in football, and there's not a lot you can do with them. I went out there, watched a few of the games with the fans, so that was good as well, just to get the atmosphere. And so yeah, it's probably one of the toughest periods of my career. But I'd say it was beneficial in the long run. I think mentally it helped me a lot. I come back. And the next season, I think it was for Ipswich, and I had my best season, so it definitely benefited me in the long run. What do you think the possibilities are then moving into this next campaign? Starts with Slovakia at home, huge game, huge campaign coming up. Yeah, we would ideally like to start that with a good performance and a good win. We know Slovakia are a good team, and like I say, it's going to be a tough year ahead, but one that all the lads in the group that I'll be looking forward to.